How to make a quick mug cake. First and foremost, attention is the most important thing, because apart of the possibility of getting hurt, the cake won't turn out the way it should. Okay, so let's start. The ingredients are 1 small egg. I don't have a small egg, so I'm gonna use a normal egg. 4 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, 4 heaping tablespoons of sugar and wheat flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. As icing for the cake, we will use half can of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of margarine, and 1 tablespoon of powdered chocolate. Method of preparation. Place the egg in the mug and beat well with a fork. Add the oil, the milk and the chocolate and beat more. Add the flour and the baking powder and stir gently until combined. Put it for 3 minutes in the microwave at full power. Mix everything in a medium recipient and stir until you get a thick syrup. Don't leave it like brigadeiro, because otherwise it will be very difficult to eat. After all that, when the cake is ready, make some holes with your fork to put your syrup above it.